This is about cooking healthy, and I can guarantee you this tastes really good. I'm actually known for this particular dish in the Straits. Hey! So I'm gonna prepare these fresh vegetables to go with my vegan stew that I'm making, lentil stew. So I'm gonna chop these up. Yeah, so we have carrots, sweet peppers, garlic, cilantro, Irish, and scallion. So I'm gonna get those ready to go in. So I've finished dicing up my vegetables for my vegan stew. It's not quite ready as yet because I can see it's boiling up. It don't normally take long to cook, so I'm not fully vegan. I am 6-day vegan and 1-day chicken. So in case you're wondering what I'm going to eat with that, I'm going to be looking about some couscous. This was introduced to me recently. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but it's kind of like rice, but it's some form of grain, but you cook it like rice. So now the water is boiling up. We're going to pour this into the water. So you don't wash it like rice, and I'm cooking for more than 1 day. I think that's enough. I think it needs a little more. And then you just leave it, turn down the flame to about 5. Just leave it, let it boil up, and then going to just absorb all the water. If I cook in rice, or in this case couscous, I don't add anything else because my stew, I think for me, is going to be salty enough to eat with that. So personally, I don't add any salt. I don't like too much salt. My blood pressure spikes very easily, and we can't have that, you know, especially in this corona time. Ain't nobody trying to go to the hospital. So I'll leave that there. So I'm using my coconut milk. I like my stuff very creamy, so I normally go in with 1.5 of this, but being that it's corona season again and we're trying to limit ourselves from going to the store, I'm using 1. So transferred it in here. I'm gonna add a little water and then transfer it to my lentils. So now my lentils is ready, so I'm gonna transfer my vegetables into my. How beautiful are those colors though, man. And I swear, when you're eating this thing, you don't miss meat, believe me. So I'm gonna put this in here. Now personally for me, I don't like when my vegetables cook out too much. I like it crunchy, just the same. But I'm gonna pour my coconut milk on this and let it I'm gonna stir that in a little. See how beautiful that is? It smells so good. And I haven't even added everything yet. No salt is in there, nothing else is in there. Just lentils and vegetables I just added. So I'm gonna let it cook, especially the potato, primarily the potato. And then I'm going to start adding my parsley and turmeric. And now my couscous is looking how it's supposed to. So notice to suck up all the water. See how it looks? Just keep stirring that until it gets really dry. So I'm gonna add a little salt. This is the salt I'm using. So just judge it. You see it floats on top. Ooh, steamy. And then I'm gonna mix that in. So to this, I'm going to add some turmeric powder, just a little for color. Don't need a lot. It's not a lot. Some parsley. And the only thing I'm putting in there with salt is the actual salt. Some garlic powder. I added some fresh garlic in there already, so I'm just putting a little garlic powder. And you know, there is absolutely no way we can cook without the spice. So I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. Just a little bit of that. Just a little heat, you know, not too much. And we're gonna just blend all of that in. For color, for flavor. And guys, the only thing, I just put the salt in here to pull out the flavor of everything else. You really don't need all of that seasoning that other people use. It's not necessary. And this is about cooking healthy. And I can guarantee you, this tastes really good. I'm actually known for this particular dish in the streets. Hey, what do you know about? Known for this dish in the streets. Yeah, I've made this a few times for some Canadians. I come and get bought up by my husband to make this to bring to work for a potluck. And of course, it was the talk of the town. So I'm just gonna leave this. I'm not adding anything else. I'm gonna cover it up, put it on very low flame, and just let it absorb all of that and thicken up. And that will be good to go. Sorry. That's what our couscous is looking like. It's pretty much done. So that's what she's looking like. It's all done. And you'll see it again once I plate it. And that's what that's looking like. It's also all done. I guess you'll see it better once I plate it. So we're all done. That's the couscous. That's my lentil stew and coconut sauce, which is so good, and a little veggies on the side. Now this plate, like I said before, it's vegan. It is completely plant-based, very healthy. So you can try this at home and let me know how it came out. Totals, remember, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. Okay, bye.